You have 2 days to decide.
Show me your cunt. I want to see if it's worth fighting.
Niedare, beza unek te las ja ngozi.
This year is interesting, you see. You seem to be enjoying my wine. Perhaps you'd like a flagon to help you ponder.
Only a flagon. And wasn't my brothers in arms to drink?
A barrel, then.
Good. The Titan's bastard does not drink alone. In the Second Sons, we share everything. After the battle, maybe we'll all share you. I'll come looking for you when this is over.
Sir Barristan, if it comes to battle, kill that one first.
Gladly, Your Grace.